Hello everyone, my name is Katie Ryan and today I'm going to be bringing you through the 2022 Muscular Dystrophy Association camp session at Camp Courageous. I hope everybody is excited for camp and ready to be back. We sure have missed you all and are excited to meet some new people as well. So for this screen recording or video session, I am going to be bringing you through the registration process. This is just for reference if you need a little tutorial as you go through. So feel free to pause the video and use it as you sign your camper up for camp, or watch it in full if you need to as well, and then go through the process. If you are watching this video, you should have received the link, which is pasted here in your email address that will sign you up for MDA week. If you go through the typical camp registration page, you will not see this because MDA week is a private event. Once you complete the first part, your request for your registration for the week, you can then just sign in using the link that is on the camp website, or you can bookmark this page. The sign in on this new registration software will always be in the upper right-hand corner. And then in the upper left-hand corner, we'll always say the 50th anniversary of camp. So you can click that to go to Camp Courageous' website if you ever need to. So without further ado, let's begin. We're going to click on register. For your purpose today, you are going to register your camper or your family for MDA session. So we're going to click register my family. And then we are going to select 7 to 18 MDA. Now, when it says who will be attending, it's where I was going to put my camper's information. For today's purposes, I'm going to create an account for MDA. So my first name is M, my last name is D, and my birth date is going to be 01/01/2010. And MDA week is going to be a female today. So I'm going to click save. My camper will highlight in gold. If you have more than one camper that you are signing up as the parent or guardian, you would then add another attendee. This is just for the campers. Then I will click continue. When this pop-up comes up that says waitlist confirmation, you're just going to click continue. Now is where you as the parent are going to put your email address to create an account. So for today's purposes, my email address is going to be mda@campcourageous.org. And I'm going to click get started. If you choose not to use your own email address and want to use Google or Facebook to sign up, you can do that as well. Now, I don't have an account yet, so I'm going to enter my information. This is the information of you as the parent or guardian. So I'm going to put MDA is going to be my first name, and ADM is going to be my last name. I am going to be the legal guardian. My phone number is 319-465-5916 at camp. And we are just going to make a password. Your password needs to be within these characters, so it must be 7 characters long with 1 letter and 1 number. If you would like to sign up for any camp email lists, you can do that here, and then you can create your account. Now it's going to say we need a little bit more information. So this is about your camper, the person that is attending the camp. So you need your full legal name first and the middle initial, their full last name if it is any different legally, their birth date, their information. Then you click select. It will turn gold and you will continue. Now, this is your attendee information, so your camper's information. If they are your child, you select child. If they have a different role, maybe a friend of the family or anything that is in the list is possible. You can then enter a preferred name an additional middle name if you would like. This is more so preferred name if they have a nickname or something else they go by. So my first name is Caitlin, but I go by Katie. You can add their email address if you would like. This is not mandatory. And then for MDA week for waiver, you are going to click no. And then click continue. On that page, you are also able to upload a picture for your camper if you wish, or you can come back and do it later. Now that we have picked our week and we have our attendee information done, we're going to click continue to checkout. No payment is currently due for your MDA week balance. You will just click continue. And our spot has been saved, which means our request for MDA week has been made. Once this is complete, you are done with your request. Then you need to complete your application for camp. So what I'm going to do is click Take Me to My Account. Now I am at my account. This is what we call your dashboard. If you ever want to come back to this page, you can either bookmark it on your computer or you can go to campcourageous.org, click on Camper, Camp Information, and sign back in. You will notice a couple of things here that I'm going to walk you through. In the upper right-hand corner, this should be your parent or guardian initials. If I click on this, it will then open and say My Dashboard, which is this page we're looking at. It will say Edit Profile, so that's me as the guardian. I can change my password, I can change my email address, my address, and then my family, which is where I can see my camper's information. I can add another guardian or another person to my account, and then I can log out as well. Now back on this page, in order to get to our application, this is our whole dashboard, we're going to click on Registrations. Now we can see here's MDA for my family, and the instructions up here help you out a little bit, but you're just going to click where it says Manage Attendees. Now here is my family's name up here, and here is my camper's name. You will notice that everyone will have this little triangle and it will say waiting list for everyone. No one will be placed into the camp week until their applications are complete and have been reviewed. So with this little triangle, I'm going to click on my camper and it has popped down the full application for Camp Courageous. So while we were completing our request, our attendee information was completed and it now has a green check mark. As you go through these sections, they will turn green to a green check mark for each one. The biggest things to know is that you can always go back and edit this information. Down here, it's going to say physical form. We are asking that everyone uploads their physical form at least 21 days prior to their camp date. That is important to know. It does not need to be done now. It can be any physical form that your doctor fills out, or you can go to Camp Courageous and use our physical form if you need one. So once you go through a section, it turns green, you save it, and you go on to the next one. If you think you're not going to be able to complete a section, you have about 30 minutes, just like a Microsoft Word document, that you're going to be in there, and then you should save it and go back to it. It will automatically refresh itself after 30 minutes. So that is very important. Make sure you are saving your information as you're entering it. If you don't have it all now or you can't do all the sections, just save it and come back. Other than that, once everything turns green, you are good to go on your end, and then you wait to hear back from Camp Courageous. If you have any questions about the process or how everything's going to work, please feel free to send us an email at program@campcourageous.org or give camp a call at 319-465-5916. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are so excited to see you at camp soon. Have a great rest of your day.